Oh my goodness, everyone, it's finally here! Michael Harding watercolor paints are finally here! Now available on Jackson's. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. If you're subscribed to Jackson's mailing list, then you'll have seen their email about these. So Michael Harding is actually more known for his line of oil paints, but he had been working on developing a line of watercolors for many years now and teased about a launch a couple of years ago. So yeah, there's been a lot going on, but it's never been available until now. So only now are we able to be finally the owners of these new range of watercolors. Please note that all of the info in this video is what I could gather at the time of making this. It's all very new, so some info may change, and I'll try to make that clear as I go along. First up, I believe these are only available on Jackson's right now and only available through their UK website. So if you're clicking on any links and they don't work, make sure you're in the UK site by checking the top left-hand corner of your browser. It's possible that after I post this video, these products will be available on the US site as well as others too. So do check them for yourself. Next, before I browse anything on Jackson's, I want a color chart, so I went to Michael Harding's official site, and it seems like they haven't updated it yet, so check their site again yourself to see if it's been updated. So that brought me back to Jackson's to view their products. There are sets as well as open stock tubes that only come in 15 milliliter tubes. The whole range includes of over 130 colors, with 96 of them being single pigment colors. These paints contain honey, so if you're a die-hard vegan painter, you might not like that. As I looked through the range, I saw a lot of influence from other brands. Like this Imperial Purple and Moonlight reminds me of Daniel Smith's Imperial Purple and Moonglow. The various earth colors reminds me of Roman Small's Earth range, and for a Western brand, there's surprisingly a good variety of pastel colors, which reminds me of Eastern brands like Holbein and Shinhan. If you're unsure which colors to get, maybe their curated sets could help. I'm so happy to see so many sets available, but do beware of what colors are included. I thought this primary set of 6 would include the split primaries, but the colors reflect more like a palette for a landscape painter, which makes sense because Michael Harding is originally an oil painter, so he probably has that perspective going in. One thing I'd like to note is that they have a cobalt teal and a cobalt teal blue shade, the latter of which isn't in the open stock page. Now, before I move on any further, I'll just let you know straight up that I did have problems viewing the various product pages, especially the open stock page. So if you encounter problems like me, maybe Jackson's is still updating their website, so I guess we might have to wait a bit longer for those to appear. But yeah, just keep an eye out. Back to the cobalt teal, so I'll leave a link of the cobalt teal blue shade down below in case it's not in the open stock page. Looking at the tubes, cobalt teal blue shade says it's made with PB50, but I'm assuming this is a labeling mistake. The regular cobalt teal is made with PG50, and I assume so is the blue shade. Personally, I'm interested in the following colors. Forest green, because, well, just look at that. Doesn't that look pretty? Raw sienna dark. I wonder if this would be similar to a raw umber light, or like a Winsor&Newton raw umber. And personally, I'm disappointed that there isn't a single pigment PB16 phthalo turquoise because that's my favorite color, as you might know. Well, that's all I have to say about them for now. I'll probably continue to look over the range later, and if anything is worth noting, I'll post any findings on my community tab. If you do decide to get anything, I'd really appreciate it if you'd consider using my affiliate links below, because that would really help support this channel. Thank you so much! And thank you for watching, everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated. Now let's all go raid Jackson's website! Woohoo!